Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming account identifiers so you don't lock yourself out later. Log in, open settings, and note the username and linked email or phone. Once done, make sure your recovery email is accessible and that you can receive verification codes. If you can't access the email, prepare to use account recovery tools, gather purchase receipts and device details. This first step prevents wasted resets and speeds verification, so act now and verify contact methods before changing credentials. You trigger the reset by selecting Forgot Password and entering the account email or username, then check email or SMS for the reset link or code. When creating the new password, combine at least 12 characters with upper and lower letters, numbers, and symbols. This prevents brute force attacks. Once you've changed it, immediately enable two-step verification in account settings using email or an authenticator app. Doing this reduces the chance of future compromise and ties a second factor to your login. You finish by logging in on a trusted device and updating any saved passwords in your browser or password manager so everything stays consistent. Make sure you sign out other devices if suspicious activity preceded the issue. If you don't receive the reset email, check spam, wait 10 minutes, and resend. Also confirm the listed email is correct. If these steps fail, contact Roblox support with transaction receipts, creation date, and device info. This evidence speeds manual recovery and proves ownership.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.